When I tell you, you know when I put these shades on, it's game time, don't you? I said, you know when I put these shades on, it's game time, don't you? Now these bifocals, honey, I'm telling you, these items that Dollar Tree has today, honey, I'm gonna swing your way. When I tell you Dollar Tree has so many amazing finds, it just warms my heart.
What up, G-Buddy?
Boy, do I have a surprise for you guys. Listen, honey, you know Dollar Tree, right now, they put in the Valentine's and the Easter stuff out. Now, these candles, you know, you smell it. You smell it a little, you know. This is the candied strawberry. It kind of put me in a mind of lipstick. You remember back in the day, had the lipsticks used to have a certain scent to them? A little bit. I mean, you do smell the strawberry. I believe these are $5. Now, they also have this one, date night. This is the lilac and blooms, okay? When I tell you, you definitely smell that lilac. You smell it. Now, the next item kind of put me in a mind of Brandy and Monica. The boy is mine. This is called Bay Mine. Like, be mine. Bay Mine. Okay, all right. Vanilla and cashmere. Really, really good. Now, if I had to choose from these three, it would definitely be vanilla and cashmere. Now, these little boxes over here, I absolutely love it. It has the gold trim around it. Really, really cute. These are absolutely styling and, you know, definitely pro. Listen, my loves, you know Dollar Tree right now has the Valentine pillows. Oh, yes, darlings. Look at these. These are so cute. Now, they come with different words. These are the heart pillows. You and me, forever, forever, ever, be mine. This is so cute. Love this. Hey, good looking. Oh, child. This is probably one of my favorites. Hey, good looking. Honey, I know that's right. Really, really cute. You guys want to get your Valentine items out, Easter items out right now at this location in Bayonne, New Jersey. They have their items out. Love this. You guys looking for Easter items? Now, I know some of you guys, I can hear your voice now saying, Dina, already? Yes, honey, that's what I had to say. Already. Check these items out. So Dollar Tree has the pre-filled Easter eggs. These are $7. Love this. This is so cute. And look at the wreaths with the Easter eggs on them. These are $7. They also have the wood egg beaded garland. And yes, darling, nothing but the best. These are $5. They have the snack cups, these cupcake cups. These are pieces for $5. Love this. They have different colors, different designs. Really, really fancy pantsy. Ooh, the carrot one is nice. I like that. Honey, ain't got to think twice. Now, Dollar Tree also have the slime-filled eggs. These are $5. You get 6 of them. Really, really cute. They also have the tinsel bunnies over here. These are $5 as well. Look at the colors off faces. Really, really nice. Now, if you guys are looking for like the flocked bunnies, honey, I didn't even know what this was called, okay? But these are called flocked bunnies. Look, you learn something new every day. These are $5. They also have these bunnies over here. Look at these. I like these. These are gorgeous. This is nice. And on here, it says, this friend belongs to. Really nice. They also have these plushies over here, the chickadee chick, $6. This plush over here, really nice. And then they also have the carrot. If you guys are looking for your Easter baskets now, your children Easter baskets, of course they have the Sesame Street Almo and Cookie Monster. These are $7. Honey, a steal deal like Holyfield. I'm trying to tell you. They also have these as well. These plush baskets. These are $7. Ooh, child. Really, really cute. And then they also have this, honey, this one. This the one. Okay. This is the one. Now, this is $7 as well. Really, really cute. And look at the little sheepity sheep plush. Oh, child, these are $5. Isn't she fancy? They also have these bunnies over here. These are $5 as well. They come in 2 different colors. They have the green. Green is my thing, like a chicken wing. Speaking of chicken, honey, they got the little chickadee chick over here, and that one is $7 as well. Love this. Now, if you guys are looking for the 12-inch jumbo eggs, Dollar Tree has them. Now, you know gold is definitely my thing, like a darn chicken wing. Now, they have the gold ones, the blue ones, the pink ones, the green ones. Green, gold and green is my thing. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 2-tier foldable trays that comes in different colors. They have the green. They also have the pink and also the white. And this is pretty much how the 2-tier foldable tray looks. This is cute, honey. You can put a cake on here, a little mini cake. Really, really nice. Now, Dollar Tree also have the false turf. Remember these? These are the table runners. I think these will make a really, really good decoration for like the walls and double-sided tape, and put this on the wall, especially if you renting. But this is good. This is $7. Now, Dollar Tree has the LED inflatable eggs. Okay, look, the Happy Easter egg. They also have the chickadee chick, and then they also have the bunny. These are $20. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Look at the little, listen. And you know what really gets me is the LED part. That's what really gets me. This is styling and definitely profiling. So, of course, Dollar Tree has they spring summer items out right now. This is the 15 bulb light set. These are $5. I absolutely love this set. Really, really cute. They have the brown wire, clear lights. They also have the black wire, clear lights. Really amazing. Now, Dollar Tree also have the garden decor over here. This is so, so cute. Honey, it is the frogs for me. Look how cute this is. They also have the solar mushroom sticks. Yes, these are $3. These are so fancy. And if you guys are looking for the solar lanterns, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. Really, really amazing. These are $6. They also have the metal bird houses over here, and these are $5. How cute is this? And then if you guys are looking for metal yardsticks, these are $5. Oh, look at this with the butterfly. Honey, speaking of butterflies, honey, it's a butterfly thing today, like a chicken wing. You know, I got the butterfly earrings on. We moving groovy, moving our feet to the beat. Look at this. These are so, so cute. Those are $5. Now, Dollar Tree also have the metal bicycle stakes that says, welcome. Try to tell me these not nice. Are you ready? Right, so Dollar Tree has, of course, their Valentine's Day items out. Whacker pack. These balloons over here. This is really, really cute. They also have the stampers over here. You get 10 pieces for $1.50. They also have the invisible. Oh, these are so nice. These invisible pens, write secret messages, friends forever. It's like glows in the dark. And of course, I am on the lookout for those little cassette tapes that Dollar Tree had last year. Dollar Tree also have these paddle boards. This makes like a really, really good basket for the children. These are so lovely. Now, other items Dollar Tree has is the 12-count card set, the mini, and also the stitch. You get 12 scratch art cards for $1.50. They also have the dinosaurs. When I tell you, this is so amazing for the little ones. This is really, really cute. 8 pieces for $1.50. Really amazing. So if you have children that birthdays are like during Valentine's Day, this is so cute. Look at the Teddy Weddies. 4 party favors for $1.50. This is gorgeous. Now they also have the rubber ducky dogs. 4 of these for $1.50 as well. Love this. These items, they really warm my heart so much. Look at these. I love these. This is the tinsel decor, the hearts. Oh my goodness, honey, that purple, isn't she fancy? Isn't she movie groovy? Really, really cute. They also have the tinsel garland over here, 25 feet for $1.50. They also have the red one with the little hearts on there. This is a nice. They also have more tinsel garland. Really cute. And I heard what you gorgeous folks said. You said, Dina, I want some new items. Show us the new items. And I said, you know what? I got you, doll faces. So Dollar Tree has these little gift boxes over here. Happy Valentine's Day. Really, really cute. They also have these that says love. All you need is love. I know that's right. They also have, oh, these are really, really gorgeous. These Valentine's Day boxes. This is nice with all of the dash. They also have Happy Valentine's Day with the lid on a box. Really cute. And you know what's my favorite is definitely these. You've got mail. Look at that. And you just put in here what you want for Valentine's Day. They also have this one, Happy Valentine's Day, just for you. Oh, you know what? You could put some roses and stuff in here. That would be cute. Really, really nice. Then they also have the Cupid Express over here. Special delivery. Really cute. Looky, looky, hooky. They also have you and me, plus all the tea. Now Dollar Tree also have the foam noodles. Now this is the Easter colors, but honey, this can be also Valentine's Day or even Christmas. I know Christmas is next week, but honey, you can do some things like a chicken wing with these foam noodles. These are cute. They have the red, they also have the pink, the purple, and then they also have the white. These are $1.50. Now, if you guys are looking for smell goods, you know, after somebody blew up their bathroom, Dollar Tree has the Wizard, the Magic of Fresh. This is the Sugar Plum Breeze. They also have the vanilla cookies. Honey, I would most likely go with the vanilla cookies. These are $1.50. This is so amazing. These white wipes, ultra skin soothing. The scent is eucalyptus face and body cleansing wipes. You get 30 of these doll faces for $1.25. Where you gonna get that at? Now, if you guys are looking for other wipes, Dollar Tree definitely has them. At first, I was like, is this Joe Boxer? These are the face and body wet wipes. Pore cleansing, detoxifying, like that. Dirty pre-moisturized wipes, swipe wipes. These are $1.25. Let me tell you fancy folks something. If you're looking for a cleansing pads to remove your makeup, or just cleansing pads, toner pads, honey, it is this. All right. Now, this location, they have this last one left. I have 2 things of these because it's amazing. You get 40 of these for $1.25. They are so good. If I'm lying, I'm flying. These socks at Dollar Tree, when I tell you they are so gorgeous. Look at this, the Star Wars size do or donut. There is no try, and I agree. There's no try. You either do it or you don't. These are $1.50. Love these.